So this is what happens when I rush and I don't read my recipe properly. I should have used 70 grams of cocoa powder instead of 170. That, my friends, is supposed to be a brownie batter. Oh gosh, I need to try again and read my recipe properly and not rush. So let's see what we can do to make use of this, because the last thing we want to do is waste ingredients. So I'm going to just put a big splosh of milk in it. Grab the mixer. I might actually go for another splosh. How much is a splosh? Well, about that much. Let's give it another shot. Well, I have to say, oh my gosh, look at that gorgeous gloss. I think we might get something lovely out of this. So let's throw it in our cake pan and let's bake it up as if we were going to bake our brownies and see what we get. For those of you that like a bit of behind the scenes stuff, this is the absolute chaos that we end up with off camera. So it's not all roses, it's not all squeaky clean and spick and span like it looks on the reels, my friends. This is the reality. Let's throw that in the oven and see what we get. Okay, so this is how they came out. If you can see that, they look interesting. I'll let them cool down for a little bit and then I'll give them a taste. We'll slice them up and see. I'm not going to proceed with it as a recipe. There's far too much cocoa powder, so I'll go back to the drawing board and test the recipe the way it was supposed to be. And once I've filmed it and written it up as a blog post, I'll let you know. Anyway, let these cool down, we'll slice them up and we'll have a taste with a cuppa. So they're still a little bit warm, but there's no point in delaying the inevitable, so let's have a look. Oh, they cut okay. There you go, I got the 16 slices I was wanting, but did I get the recipe I was wanting? No, I didn't. Let's have a look. It's all in the taste, I suppose. Let's taste it. Oh, no, that's a hard pass. Oh gosh, way too much cocoa powder. Oh my gosh. All right, friends, I'll see you soon when I've managed to video what I should have videoed in the first place with the correct quantities. Ew.